Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Let's start learning. 1201. Achievement Award.
She received an achievement award.
1202. Ambition.
His ambition is to become a doctor.
1203. Attitude.
A positive attitude helps you succeed.
1204. Behavior.
Good behavior is important at school.
1205. Character.
She has a kind character.
1206. Confidence level.
My confidence level is growing.
1207. Determination.
Determination helps you reach your goals.
1208. Discipline.
Daily practice requires discipline.
1209. Focus.
Stay focused during the lesson.
1210. Independence.
Teenagers learn independence over time.
1111. Motivation.
Music gives me motivation to study.
1112. Optimism.
His optimism inspired everyone.
1113. Perseverance.
Perseverance leads to success.
1114. Potential.
Every child has great potential.
1115. Self-control.
Self-control is an important skill.
1116. Self-esteem.
Reading improved her self-esteem.
1117. Self-improvement.
English study is part of my self-improvement.
1118. Strength.
Kindness is a real strength.
1119. Weakness.
Everyone has a weakness.
1220. Wisdom.
Grandparents often share wisdom.
1221. Colleague.
My colleague helped me today.
1222. Employer.
My employer is supportive.
1223. Employee.
Every employee attended the meeting.
1224. Internship.
She started a summer internship.
1225. Occupation.
Teaching is a rewarding occupation.
1226. Profession.
Nursing is a respected profession.
1227. Qualification.
This job requires experience and qualifications.
1228. Recruit.
The company plans to recruit new workers.
1229. Resign.
He decided to resign next month.
1230. Workplace.
Safety is important in the workplace.
1231. Appointment book.
The receptionist checked the appointment book.
1232. Attendance.
Student attendance was excellent.
1233. Certificate.
She earned a language certificate.
1234. Diploma.
He received his diploma.
1235. Graduate.
My sister will graduate this year.
1236. Lecture.
The lecture begins at 10 a.m.
1237. Presentation slide.
The presentation slide is easy to read.
1238. Project report.
I finished the project report.
1239. Research.
We did research for the project.
1240. Seminar.
I attended an online seminar.
1241. Ambulance.
The ambulance arrived quickly.
1242. Blood test.
My blood test results were normal.
1243. Diagnosis.
The doctor explained the diagnosis.
1244. Health check.
I have a health check every year.
1245. Injection.
The nurse gave me an injection.
1246. Medical record.
The hospital updated my medical record.
1247. Prescription bottle.
Keep the prescription bottle closed.
1248. Recovery time.
His recovery time was short.
1249. Surgeon.
The surgeon performed the operation.
1250. Vaccine.
Children receive important vaccines.
1251. Bakery shop.
The bakery shop opens early.
1252. Cashier receipt.
Please keep the cashier receipt.
1253. Customer review.
I read the customer review.
1254. Discount coupon.
I used the discount coupon.
1255. Grocery list.
My grocery list is ready.
1256. Online order.
My online order arrived today.
1257. Payment method.
Credit card is my payment method.
1258. Product label.
Read the product label carefully.
1259. Shopping basket.
She carried a shopping basket.
1260. Store manager.
The store manager solved the problem.
1261. Battery life.
My phone has excellent battery life.
1262. Charging cable.
Where is my charging cable?
1263. Computer screen.
The computer screen is bright.
1264. Internet browser.
Open your internet browser.
1265. Keyboard key.
Press the Enter keyboard key.
1266. Memory card.
My camera needs a memory card.
1267. Notification.
I received the notification.
1268. Operating system.
My computer has a new operating system.
1269. Touchscreen.
The touchscreen is easy to use.
1270. Wireless connection.
The wireless connection is stable.
1271. Bicycle lane.
Ride in the bicycle lane.
1272. Bus stop.
The bus stop is nearby.
1273. Driver's license.
Always carry your driver's license.
1274. Fuel station.
We stopped at a fuel station.
1275. Highway exit.
Take the next highway exit.
1276. Parking ticket.
He received a parking ticket.
1277. Road sign.
Read the road sign carefully.
1278. Seatbelt.
Always wear your seatbelt.
1279. Speed limit.
Follow the speed limit.
1280. Traffic sign.
The traffic sign says stop.
1281. Bird nest.
The bird built a nest.
1282. Butterfly garden.
We visited a butterfly garden.
1283. Flower bed.
The flower bed is colorful.
1284. Forest trail.
The forest trail is peaceful.
1285. Mountain view.
The mountain view is amazing.
1286. Ocean wave.
The ocean waves were strong.
1287. Peaceful place.
This park is a peaceful place.
1288. Picnic basket.
Bring the picnic basket.
1289. Riverbank.
We sat by the riverbank.
1290. Sunset view.
The sunset view was beautiful.
1291. Celebrate together.
We celebrate together every year.
1292. Lifelong friendship.
They have a lifelong friendship.
1293. Make progress.
You will make progress every day.
1294. Never stop learning new things.
Never stop learning new things.
1295. Personal success.
Hard work brings personal success.
1296. Solve problems.
We solve problems together.
1297. Stay positive every day.
Stay positive every day.
1298. Work together.
We work together as a team.
1299. World traveler.
She dreams of becoming a world traveler.
1300. Lifelong journey.
Learning English is a lifelong journey. Excellent job!
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 14.
Goodbye, and happy learning!